All right, we're going to be working on page 35. Jaden filled a tub with boxes of markers. He put 2 boxes in each layer. It took 4 layers to fill the tub. What is the volume of it? Oh, so each layer has 2 boxes. So that's a layer is 2 boxes, and there are 4 layers, or it's 4 tall. What is the volume? This one is just 2 times 4. And that tells you how many boxes are in this bin, this tub. Imani's room is 3 yards by 4 1/4 yards. She's getting new carpet. Is 13 yards enough carpet for her to cover her room? So we're going to roll out the carpet, figure out if it's enough. So let's see. I have a 3 by 4 and 1/4. So I got to break it down. 3 times 4 plus 1/4. How many 1/4 do we need, guys? Well, we need 3 of them. So that would be 12 and 3/4. That is smaller. 12 and 3/4 is what she has. And that is still smaller than 13. So that is a yes. Write an expression with the value that is twice as much as 236 plus 921. So twice as much means 2 times 236 plus 912. So be an addition problem. Right, number 4, you need your SRB. 328, and I have my copy from my planner, and we're going to deal with the metric system. So the metric system is the left side. I have 1.5 kilometers, and I want to know how many meters that is. Well, 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters, but I have this 0.5 or half, and half of 1,000 is 500. So this would be 1,000 plus 500 is 1,500 meters. 36 inches is how many yards? I'm sorry, we did throw in one customary system. So 36 inches is how many yards? I'm going to look here on my chart. 1 yard is 36 inches, so my answer is 1. 3 meters is how many millimeters? Well, 1 meter is what? 1 meter is 10 decimeters. That doesn't tell me. It is also 1,000 centimeters. That still doesn't tell me. But 1 meter is 1,000 millimeters. But I have 3 meters, so 3 multiplied by 1,000 is 3,000. 5 dm. 5 decimeters is how many centimeters? So I'm going to come here. 1 decimeter is 10 centimeters, but I have 5 of them. 5 times 10 is 50. All right, solve. We need to use PEMDAS again. Parentheses, exponents, multiply and divide from left to right, and add and subtract from left to right. Half plus half is 1 times 5 is 5. 300 divided by 30. So we're going to do this trick, and we're not even going to worry about actually doing the math. We're going to cross off zeros evenly. If I have a 0 here on my dividend, I can cross off a 0 on my divisor. If I cross them off, they never come back. So I need 1 0 in my answer. Now I can do 3 divided by 3, which is 1. So my answer here is 10. Now I have 1.5 plus 1.5. Well, 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 over 2, and then half plus half is 2 over 2. But I can convert that because I know that 2 over 2 is the same as 1. So it's 1 plus 2, which is 3. And then I could just do 6 times 3, which is 18. Milo has 3 dogs and 2 cats. Each pet eats 2 cups of food a day. Which expression below shows how much food Milo's pets will eat in one day? Well, he has 3 dogs and 2 cats. So if I want to know how much they're all going to eat all together, I could do 3 plus 2 times 2. Or I could do 3 times 2, because there's 3 dogs, 2 cups, plus 2 cats times 2 cups. But that seems like a longer way. So 3 times 2 plus 2, well, that doesn't include everything, so no. 3 plus 2 times 2, that's what we did here. 3 dogs, 2 cats, and they all eat 2 cups. 3 plus 2 plus 2, well, that doesn't work. 3 times 2, that's the 3 dogs, and they all have 2 cups, and then 2 cats and 2 cups. All right. Great job, everybody.